And he was a mother, I've been thinking, mother with a blind passion. Telling me how much I remind him of his mother.
There's nothing to you. You went to Mexico with another man, talked about his mother in bed, and you didn't have sex with him. That's what happened in the story. You know, sometimes you can appreciate it. You know, in Mexico, and don't have sex with moms.
I'm sorry about that.
Take it.